How to grow moss on a stone. Gardeners often see moss as a nuisance to eliminate with various herbicides. However, moss can serve as an attractive addition to a garden. Moss grows well on various surfaces, including stone. You need to spend some time and effort to establish moss, but it requires little maintenance after the initial period. You can grow moss on rocks, stone plant containers, and stone sculptures in your garden. Things you'll need: 1 to 1.5 cups moss, 2 cups buttermilk or yogurt, blender, paintbrush, plastic bag or plastic sheet. Collect moss from your yard or buy it from a garden center. Dump 1 to 1.5 cups of moss into a blender, and add 2 cups of yogurt or buttermilk. Blend the mixture until you get a thick slurry. The yogurt or buttermilk provides an acidic environment to encourage moss growth and allows the mixture to stick to stone surfaces. Pick up some of the moss mixture with a paintbrush, and apply it to your stone. Place the stone into a plastic bag to provide a moist environment ideal for moss growth. If the stone is too big to insert into a plastic bag, cover it with a sheet of plastic. Place the stone in a cool, shady area for 10 to 14 days. The moss will start growing on the stone.